Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm going to do a brief review on this 18-inch lace front wig I received from RPG Hair. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Yes, she has arrived from rpghair.com. I ordered the loose wave Indian Remy. I have all the specs in the description. It took her about 8 days to get here. She came in that box, and then this plastic. When you open up the box, let's get her out of the plastic to see what she looks like. And there she is. Has a little net over, a little black net. Gonna take that off, and the wave pattern is gorgeous. I'm loving it so far. It didn't have a smell or anything. That's always a plus. 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle. I'll be taking that middle one out and probably adding an elastic band depending on how it fit. 1 comb on the bottom, and there go that wave pattern again. So far, so good. Loving it. In my opinion, straight out the box, it looks amazing. It has all the dents and curves of a natural hairline. It seems like with a little bit of plucking and to hide those black dots, you won't have to do too much work to get it to your liking. So I will let you guys see what it looks like after I put my finishing touches on it. Please excuse my tired look. It's about 2 a.m. It's been a long day. I'm done plucking. I'm probably going to pluck a little bit more tomorrow or another day, but for right now, I'm satisfied with the outcome.